Hello! Sorry I didn't post the video for so long. I got a ton of comments. Seems like some people didn't understand the free Nitro video. We will talk about this. Before that, join my Discord server for free decors and layouts. It's a friendly community. Back to the topic, you will find this page in the video's description. Type in Nitro in the search bar and just go there and log in. You need to also put your birth date for some reason, but you can do that and make sure you will be above 18 years old year. Now you need to click the Get button. Also, the most important thing is, this offer is only till June 13th. So make sure you claim the offer as soon as possible. Second most important thing is, only new users or people who haven't bought Nitro for 12 months can claim it. And you would need payment methods. After a couple of minutes, you will get this email. Click the Redeem button. You can log in and claim it. But I am not claiming it, I will give this to you guys. If you want the Nitro, join my server and get it. It's in Primo channel. My Discord server link is in my description.